Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best hex threading dies that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Hex Threading Dies. Carbon steel die is widely appreciated for their features like high functionality and durability. These round die products are available in various sizes and shapes to meet the diverse requirements of customers. We manufacture and export these products using high-quality raw materials with the international quality standards. We offer them at cost-effective rates to our clients. Number 5. Hansen 7350 Irwin Rethreading Hex Metric Die. Heat-treated S2 steel for maximum strength and hardness. Included components: tape. Irwin Industrial Tool Co. 14 and 1.50mm die. Main features: made of shock resistant. Ideal for maintenance. Made in USA. Number 4. Hansen 6634 die 8 to 125mm 1-inch hex for tap die. Their powerful construction helps ensure the bolts fit tightly. The versatile dies are great for and the hex head shape is designed for use in die stock. Main features: stock and adjustable wrenches, right-hand external threads. High carbon steel hexagon. Number 3. Drill America DWTHX NPT Set 6-piece NPT pipe die set. These dies are the most cost-effective rethreading tool available. Hex die is for dressing over bruised or rusty threads. Main features: ideal for maintenance. Right-hand cut tools. Made of carbon steel. Number 2. Irwin Tools 9739 10mm x 1.25 hex die. Country of origin: model number 9739. And repair work: manufactured in United States. Main features: made of shock resistant. Ideal for maintenance. Maximum strength and hardness. Number 1. Drill America Half-14 Hex NPT Pipe Rethreading Die. Hex die is for dressing over bruised or rusty threads. No special holder is required for this type of die, any wrench large enough will suffice. Main features: made of carbon steel. Right-hand cut tools. Ideal for maintenance. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.